Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you in a maker hacket that how do we make or develop the groove sensor tester. So I think most of you are aware about the seats groove sensors. So the groove sensors are pretty good in the sense that they can be connected to the groove shells very easily using a very standard connectors like this one right over here, and you can actually connect any kind of groove sensor, an actuator, or an end device which is compatible with the groove connectivity very easily. So in this episode we're gonna show you how do we create the groove sensor box, a groove sensor tester, using the standard components that comes with the groove sensors. So interestingly, the groove sensor box is also developed using the groove sensor components, and let me show you how it works and how do we develop it. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see that here is how we have made the sensor tester box, and as you can see this is the OLED display that we have connected. We have just engraved some cutout on the box and then showed the other side the display component over here, and this is a battery connected to the Mediatek LinkIt One board. And as we have shown that there are going to be analog and digital ports. So for the analog ones we are using the A0 here. This goes down to the front connector, and then for the digital we are using D2, and that's what goes out to the front of the box. And for the display, this is using I2C connectivity, inter-IC connectivity, so that's connected to one of the I2C ports. So the connections are pretty simple. The Arduino program is in the link given in this video. You can see it in the details or descriptions below this video, and you will find a link to download the source code. And it's pretty easy, it's very small code, so you just have to write it down to the Arduino IDE and then flash it to the Mediatek LinkIt using the Arduino IDE, and that's it. You're up. Okay, so I connected now the loudness sensor over here and the touch sensor on the digital port. So let me just try it out now, touch sensor. So you can see that as soon as I touch it, the value goes from low to high. It works perfectly fine. So I can connect any kind of a digital sensor on its place and can check if the sensor is working or not. For the loudness sensor, let me hold it a little near to you, and as I speak loud, hello, so you can see that the values on the analog sensors are changing as I speak. So you can see that when I'm quiet, the sensor value is very low. As soon as I speak loudly, the sensor values goes high. Okay, let me show you some other sensors over here now. Okay, so now I connected the accelerometer on the analog sensor, and as you can see that if I move the sensors, for example, the value changes on the analog, right? So that's the accelerometer. Now let me show you another one. So now I have connected the light sensor. So if you can see that there's a light sensor, so if I hold it, right, the analog value goes down, and when I open it, the value goes high, down, high, low, high. So even the light sensor works fine. So ultimately what you will learn here today is basically by using this groove sensor box, a groove sensor tester box, you can actually test any kind of an analog or a digital sensor as long as it is a groove sensor. It's very easy to connect. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, just share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Thank you.